Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel HRB Embedded and Craft. Today I am going to show you one of the best projects in an electrical engineering, which is automatic power factor improvement using Arduino Nano and PZM0040. This PZM0040 inbuilt of ZCD, and so that it can calculate power factor at very much accurate, and also it can display the voltage, current, power and energy in the LCD using this Arduino Nano. So this is the SMPS unit of 12 volts power supply from 230 to 12 volt converter, and the same 12 volt is connected to a relay module, and this one is the buck boost converter which converts at 12 volts to 5 volts, which is used to connect PZM0040 and as well as Arduino Nano. So this is the 4-channel relay which is used to connect the capacitors to the load when the power factor is reduced to a low values. This is the LCD unit along with the I2C module, which is used to display a power factor, and the number of capacitors are connected to the load at low power factor conditions. This is a microcontroller board called Arduino Nano, used here as a brain. It gathers the data from an input devices like PZM0040 and process the data and sends commands to output devices like a 4-channel relay module, or to connect the capacitors to a load when the power factor is very low, and as well as to display the data, the necessary data in the LCD module. Here these 3 switches are used to connect a load of different types. One is an resistive load. I am using incandescent lamp of 40 watt as a resistive load, and this is the choke of fluorescent blast as an inductive load. So this switch is connected to a lamp and this switch is connected to a choke, and this I kept this as a spare so that I can connect any other type of loads which is whenever it is necessary. So now I am going to turn on our project, automatic power factor correction unit. So I am turn on the project here. Now the display starts showing welcome, and it calculating the power factor. So without capacitor and without load, it shows none, so that the no load is connected here. So now let us switch on the resistive load. So this resistive load is turned on, and let us see. So we will reset the Arduino Nano, and we will see that again it starts from the welcome. Now it is calculating the power factor of resistive load. Okay, now it is showing without capacitor power factor is 1. So no relays are activated because this power factor, this circuit is designed for the 0.95 power factor, from where whatever it is the values. So it is now the power factor, present power factor is 1.00, so no relays are going to activate. So now let us turn off this and we will turn on only an inductive load. So now the inductive load is turned on, and again we will reset the. Let us check how this behaves. So now it is calculating. Without capacitor is 0.24. Okay, now without, so now one capacitor is added. So now we will see that with one capacitor it is calculating. Now one capacitor it is improved up to 0.36 power factor. Now the second capacitor is added again. Now it is calculated. By adding second capacitor it shows 0.67. So now this is not enough, so third capacitor is also turned on. So it starts calculating. Okay, now it is showing 0.79. All three capacitors are not enough to bring the value to 0.95. So I am added only a 3 capacitor for the demonstration purpose. So it rests at 0.79. So now we will reset the system, and I am going to turn on both resistive load and as well as inductive load. So let us see that what is the power factor and earlier. Now the power factor is 0.32. No, it is not actually. Now again I am reset this. Both inductive load and as well as resistive load. Now the power factor is 0.52. Now using one capacitor, let us see what is the value. It starts calculating. 0.70 it goes to with the one capacitor, and now with the second capacitor, yeah, 0.92. The power factor is improved very much, and by third capacitor it goes for 0.96. fine. So now our aim of the project is to improve the power factor up to 0.95 is reached, and the project is very much successful. So for any other inquiry, goes for the description and have a phone number. You can inquire through a WhatsApp or make a comment for any other doubts. So now thank you for watching this video. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and press the bell button to get the new videos earlier to you. Thank you very much.